In the name of Allah, welcome to the first grade of Pashto learning with English meaning. In this grade, we will try to learn very easily Pashto to foreign or those children who are Pashtuns but they live in foreign countries, especially in Europe and America. After this first grade, step by step, we will try to have the other grades, and our main goal will be this: to learn to you Pashto language. At the next grades, inshallah, we will have communication and we will try to find some students. They will communicate with each other and you will listen to their communication and will learn Pashto. Now we start first lesson. As you watch in this picture, this is horse. In Pashto we called it as. As mean horse. As. As mean horse. The, as, they mean this is a horse. The, as, they. Da mean this. As mean horse. They mean is. In English you say a horse, but in Pashto we only say as. Da, zma, as, they. Da mean this again. Zma mean my. Horse as. Da, zma, as, they. This is my horse. Zma mean my. As they, a horse is. Zma as Monday wahi. My horse is running. Zma as, my horse. Zma mean my. Horse mean as. Monday wahi mean running. Let's repeat again. As. As mean horse. In as there are two letters, two alphabet. Alef, sin. Alef, sin mean as. Da, dal, alef, da. As, they. In they, dal, ye. Da, zma, as, they. Zma, ze, mim, alef. Zma. Zma mean my. Zma as Monday. In Monday there are four letters. Mim, nun, dal, ye. Mim, nun, dal, ye. Monday. You can watch this video again. If you have any suggestion, you can share with us. At the end of every lesson, we will have a vocabulary. In each vocabulary, we will have four words. Uba. Uba mean water. Uba. Alef, waw, be, he. Uba. Or. Or mean fire. Or mean fire. Anar. Mean camel. Alef, waw, hin. Alef, waw, hin. mean camel. پښتو زده کړه فیسبوک پاڼه او یوټیوب چینل در سره خوښ او سبسکرایب کړئ. غزا نور زما فیسبوک دی او دا هم زما ټویټر. ښه وخت ولرئ.